Like I said, you can cut off the excess bony if you don't want a very too wide brim. So this is what we have, and to this middle we need to close up now. Then for closing up, we have our long needle, and then I pass my thread for 6. That's 3. I did 3 and it gives me 6. Like into 6 thread with your long needle. I told you we're going to be needing needle, and we are still going to be covering this side. We're going to use needle, and we're still going to cover this side. So we're still going to cover it. So you come in like this. You bring out this side. So you make a kind of running stitches. You make a kind of running stitches in the middle. This will help gives your cap that shape. So you make your running stitches inside all through this excess that is in the middle. You have to be careful you don't touch the band of your Zara cap. So, can we say this? I'm trying to open it up for us to see what I did. So now drag it back. So we have that back look. Once you drag it back, it will give you this beautiful look in the middle. So you now make sure you hold it down, not too tight but at least tight. So you hold it down here and make sure it's staying well. So you make sure you secure it very well, so it doesn't come back, it doesn't come. So you cut off the excess. After tying this place, you cut off the excess that we have here from the band. So this is what we have. So you now come in here with your needle and thread. You arrange well. You now come in from here. You bring it out just to secure this one that we did earlier. So you take it in. Just to hold, not too tight, so it's just to hold them in place, since we've used gum to hold the clothes together. But this one is just to hold it in place. So we are still going to cover this rough work because you can't leave our work this way, no. So we have to cover up, then hold it well. So this is what we have. It's now so tight. We now come to this remaining part. You take it in this way and you sew lightly. You sew it out, yes, you sew it out, not in. Hold it way down. Just hold it in place because we are still going to cover up. This is our essence, the one I cut from the other one. That's what we'll be using to cover this side and this side before we attach our rose flower. Our rose flower is 9 by 9 inches. You cut from 9 by 9 inches, 4 corner shape or round shape. Then you now do a kind of running stitches, and that's how you get this your rose flower that we used to cover up after making it this way. So I will cut part of this to cover rough work. This is part of our headsets. You cut part of your headsets. You make sure it's neatly cut. You cover your headsets with it and your rough work with it. Then you attach your flower. You can use any kind of flower, but at least I'm using my fabric flower. So you tie again too. I love tying again, just to secure the thread. So I'll be using this to cover this way. I'll be putting my candle gum to cover it this way, and I'll use candle gum to attach this to it, so we can have my sweet Queen Zara cap. So I've put my candle gum, so you place yours neatly. So you put your gum here to here and all the way to cover our rough work. After putting our gum, this is what you have. You put our gum, then I'll apply my gum here too and cover it up this way. So I'm still dragging it and putting gum. So I'll put gum and drag it in like this. See, I'll drag it in like this. Then I will now come to the next side and do the same thing. So I like this last one to be a bit small, so that it will give us that curve in it. See, so I'm going to gum this, and I've dragged it already, so I'll put gum. So I'll just touch my hand with, I'll put water and touch this thing and touch the gum. While I'm doing that, I can always wait for it to get dry, but we need it to get dry with the bunny. So this is what we have. So you can see that there are excess clothes here too. So I'll just do this and bring it together like this. So even if you are using raw silk, for those that are using raw silk, this is what I'm trying to explain to those that called me, that if you are using raw silk, you can, after putting your gum on the bunny and your this thing and your curve, try to put gum to join the clothes together this way. If you are using raw silk, because raw silk will not even come close. You know, raw silk has this what is it called, stretchy power, so it might want to stay on its own. But this is what we have. So I'll just cut out this. I'll cut out the small one that I have left, then I'll finish up the middle. So if you have any issue with this side, please let me know, and let's take note of what I just said. See, this thing must not be standing on each other. You can see that it cannot even stand on each other. It has to sleep. Everyone needs a seat. It has to sit down this way. Your handy has to sit this way. So that after joining this place with the needle and thread, even before putting it on your head, this is what you have on your head. See, and when you are folding it, this is what you should have. But it has to sleep this way. It has to. It has to. So please take note of this side. Thank you.